In this exercise tutorial, we're going to be learning the basics of plyometrics, and we're going to be doing a single leg hop. So firstly, decide which leg that you want to do the single leg hop with and which leg that you don't want to do it with. So in this example, I'm going to use my left leg for the hops, and my right leg is going to come out the way by coming into a flexed position at the knee. So what I'm now going to do, once I've got my balance, is come down by bending my leg and up into my hops. So if I slow this down, I'm not just doing this, I'm coming down using my knee as well and getting enough of a jump through both my heel raising off the floor and doing this as well as extending the knee to get more of a plyometric element to the exercise. Repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions and sets, and then switch over to the next leg.